Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 1 2 2 1. Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Let's go. Let's go. Do I got audio? Doubles. I got audio. Let's go, baby. Are we propagating? Are we on YouTube and Twitter and X and Twitch and all those fine places? Are we there yet? Are we there yet, Dad? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Haha. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna get this suit right here. I'm gonna get this right here. Oh wow, look at this dude. I didn't even realize there was this shield right here, bro. Alright, shielded up, baby. Let's go, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, this is another episode of Power Play, where we basically get ourselves ready for Power Hour, but we also decompress, I would say. Decompression doubles. A little decompression, you know. Oh, this is not bad, bro. That's good loot. A little decompression playing Fortnite while we're getting ourselves all set to go, baby. Yes, sir. Ooh, let's get this thing right here. Why not? Why not? Where are the enemies? Where are they? Enemy. Doubles. Enemy. Oh, my. There's like all kinds of craziness going on over here, bro. All kinds of craziness going on. Where are they? All right. Ooh. Yummy. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, my, doubles. Did you see that? Oh, my. Oh, I did not. Oh, well. Well, there's enemies right by. There's enemies nearby. Come on, play with me, fella. Oh my! The coach is on fuego. Let's go. Ooh, look at here. Look at what we got, doubles. Look at what we got, son. Oh my. All right, cleaned up the cornfield over here. Why not? Oh, why not? I don't know. Do I want this thing? I don't know. How's it shoot? Not bad. Yes, no, right? Yes, no, maybe. What do you think, doubles? What do you think? It's okay. It's all right. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And, of course, you'll also want to follow us on X.com. We've got news 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for the financial markets. And then, of course, Monday through Friday, pre-market and regular hours. Everything and anything about small cap and micro cap stonks. Yes, sir. Down to technical analysis, filings, news, you name it. We got all of that. Monday through Friday, pre-market, regular hours, and after hours. Go ahead and follow us on X.com at Coach Money. At Coach... Ooh, I should take this, right, bro? I'm going to take it. Why not? At Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, baby. That's right. And we're also on Facebook, Instagram, and threads, I tell you, threads, at Coach Money. And we also live stream on Twitch at Coach Money. At Coach Nick Money, baby. Yes, indeed, baby. Oh, my, look at me, bro. Look at how fast I'm going. And, of course, we got the old TikTok going on. Tiki-taki. A.K.A. the tag. And we're at DBL Nicks over there. At DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And of course, you're going to probably want to join our community. Of course, you've heard about this already. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it. It is amazing, an amazing Discord community, but it's more than just the community. A lot of support there, assistance, help with your trading, and of course, a lot of powerful tools. Wow, look at that. I should take that, right? I feel like I should take that, bro. I feel like I should take it. I know it's a single shot, but I feel like I should take it. A lot of support there for you. We've got massive amounts of tools. We're constantly providing education and learning experiences for the entire Discord community. A lot of support. help center available for you all the time. Okay, not this fugazi stuff that you know, only a little bit of help. Nah, doubles, nah, nothing like that, doubles, nothing like that. You know what I mean, doubles? Am I right, bruh? All right, so go ahead and join the Discord. The early watch list on fire always comes out. Ooh, my. Comes out at 5:30 p.m. 5:30 p.m. Ooh, look at that, doubles. 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you want that as well. And we almost have like 1 or 2, 3, 4 times Parabolic runners the day before, right? So you have access. As you know, the early bird gets the cash, baby. Don't let nobody fool you. Speed is important. Think about it. It's a net sum game, right? The people that get in first generally are going to sell to the people who are going to get in late at the party. Late at the party. I feel like I should take this one. Let's get that shit party going on. Let's go, baby. I got a lot of heals. You know what? I feel like I should take heals, bro. I feel like somebody's shooting right there at others. Madonna. Oh my god, I almost felt bad for him, bro. He got laser-rated. He got laser-rated. So, if you're new to the show, let me tell you about what Power Play is about. We basically take an opportunity to go over the stocks that are going to run that potentially could be leading gainers, basically. And we do that. Oh! Oh! What's up, fella? This guy wants to play, bro. Yep. How about I do this? That's not as fast. How about that, bro? Oh, dude, really? Really? I didn't know that. Okay. Let's go, bro. Somebody's leaving. Man, that was not bueno. Bro, this guy's not leaving me alone, huh? I want to smoke him, bro. I want to find where he's at. I'm gonna smoke him. Yeah, I know, but I need to do. Oh, dude, what the heck, bro? Everybody. Man, I couldn't even do my intro. This guy was breaking my shoes, bro. Yo, I'm gonna... What the hell's going on here, bro? I'm glad I got heals, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Anyway. Alright, so that was kind of, annoying. That was a little annoying, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, anyway, so Power Play, what is it about? We get ourselves kind of like a little relaxed during the... Ooh, playing Fortnite, even though it doesn't look like I'm gonna be relaxing. No, what is this guy doing, bro? Really, bro? Really, bro? Oh, yeah. since I can tap off, why not, bro? Yo, this guy is a pain in the butt. I got no mats, bro. I got no mats, bro. More importantly. I know, but I gotta get somewhere where I can do that peacefully. Holy mackerel, dude. Holy mackerel, dude. You need shield in this mode, bro. You know that? Doubles. You need shield. Let's get a share party going on. Man, AFJK ran over 200% very quickly. WORK, also a parabolic runner called early in the Discord. Holy, dude. I'm trying to do my intro, and these guys are just not leaving me alone, bro. I don't like that. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it, I tell you. I feel like I should get involved here. Oh, I don't... That's not what I wanted. I do need an AR, don't I? Wasn't really trying to get an AR, though. Yeah, I don't want that thing. I guess I do. Right there, bro. Jesus, what is going on, bro? Dude, what is going on, bro? Holy mackerel, dude. Man. I gotta get into zone though, bro. Dude, what the hell, bro? Yo, I hate this mode. I hate this mode, dude. Something's not copacetic about it, bro.
It's like normal Fortnite.
No, not really, dude.
Looks like
Nah, bro. Nah, the mechanics are off. I'm gonna switch up, and
switch the mechanics up a little bit.
yeah, the mechanics are different. Anyway, let's go and take a look at some of the stocks. So MTC, y'all may have remembered that this stock ran absolutely parabolic yesterday. Almost what, around 400% doubles? About 400%. It ran again today, up about 66%. Now it's up 35%. This particular stock ran on news that they had gotten notification, I believe, that they were not in compliance with the $1 minimum requirement payment. So that with NASDAQ, that's what the issue was. But now, obviously, you could see that they are within compliance. The 90 MA is stacked above the VWAP, but it is quite separated. And we do have the beginnings of a double top, one over here and one over here. So a pullback would not be out of the question. We could see that the RSI is dipping. We could see that the volume candles are also dipping. And of course, it's, you know, it makes sense. It's an hour and 15 minutes before power hour, so there's not a heck of a lot of volume in the market. So we'll keep an eye on it. It ran again, you know, it ran again. It's got earnings in 12 days for whatever that's worth. And yeah, that's the story with MTC. We will keep an eye on MTC. Let's take a look at ASST. ASST was actually moving yesterday, was doing pretty well yesterday. Today it's up only 2%, 2.4%. It pulled back significantly. It's trying to break VWAP right now. Let's take a look at some key levels of support and resistance for ASST. Cindy, what's up? How are you? Do you think this is going to go overnight? Are you talking about ASST or MTC? And there's really no way of knowing either way, because it's ultimately a guess. To be quite honest with you, the best that we could do is take a look at the patterns and see what the patterns look like to get an idea of what could potentially happen. But at the end of the day, almost all of these stocks have what are called shelf registrations, which allow them to dilute, which means they're allowed to raise capital by introducing more stocks to their float. Autocorrect, it looked like, oh, MTC. Let's go take a look at it. Well, let's see what it looks like. MTC, in order to try to get an idea, and again, it's just an idea, there's no way of knowing for sure, because ultimately we don't know if there's going to be a stock that runs tomorrow that takes the sunshine away from the current stocks. We don't know if they're going to dilute. We don't really know. But what we can do is we can go to a longer time frame and see what the stock has done in the past and get an idea of where the key levels of resistance and support are. And that could give you a general idea of what's happening. So if we look at MTC, we could see that it really sold off really aggressively for the past year. This is a 1-year chart that we're looking at right here, okay? So the next key level would be based on that all the way up here, $107. Now, obviously, it's not going to run to $107, but this is a 1-year chart. So we could see that there's really not that many high points on the 1 year, so we'll cut it down to 180 days, the 4-hour chart. Let me go and refresh this. Let's go refresh it. Let's put it to a 180-day chart. And what we could see on the 180-day chart is that we have what's called blue skies. In other words, it's the price action for the past 180 days. The price action has never been as high as it is right now. So a support level would be right around $1.83, which was the last high point, which happened on September 10th. So what we'll do is we'll put a line there as a key level of support since the price action is above that. So let's go do that, right? All right, let's change that to green. I always want it green. I want it green, I tell you. All right, right there. All right, so we got that going on. All right, so now we're going to cut it down to a shorter time frame. Let's go to the 30-minute. Okay, 30-minute. We have another support area right over here. Let's go and put that in there. And everything else, right, a resistance area would be just above it. So let's go do that. And here's your resistance area. Now we have a general idea of where the stock has been in the past. So in essence, it's got blue skies, okay, which means that it's never been this high. So theoretically, there's no resistance point at this point. So theoretically, there's a chance that it could certainly run up. However, there's a reason why the stock lost its almost got delisted for going under $1, and that most likely than not is as a result of poor financials, not being profitable, right? And most likely than not, this stock, like most penny stocks, most small caps, most micro caps, they generally have shelf registrations that allow them to dilute. Okay, so far it doesn't look like they have diluted. Okay, but you know they could dilute. So the answer is very risky to necessarily hold overnight. However, we'll see what stocks are the ones that look like they have potential to carry over to tomorrow with the early watch list that we do in the Discord, right? Because what will happen is we'll see which stocks are showing unusual volume in the evening, which stocks have news in the evening that could carry over to the next day, and we'll have that out at approximately 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the Discord. And that'll give you an idea of which ones we think have a better shot of potentially running the next day. So hopefully that helps you out. Okay. All right, let's get a share party going on. We have 160 people here. Let's go for 200. Let's go for 200, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Why not? Why not? Let's go. All right, let's go take a look at some other stocks. BIYA ran very parabolic earlier in the day. Very parabolic. That's BIYA International Group. BIYA International Group. And it is a 10 million float stock with 319 million volume. 319 million volume. Let's take a look and see if it has any news. We're checking it out. No news, no recent news. There was a question of a meeting last month to consider consolidation of shares, so I'm guessing that's a reverse split that we're thinking about. It is a sub-dollar stock, currently up 53%. It was up a heck of a lot more. You could see it had gone all the way up to 76, 77 cents from 26 cents, so it moved quite aggressively, 200%. But now it's formed a double top. So let's go get that graffiti pencil activated over here. One over here. Another one over here. Double top is a bearish pattern. And as a result, it usually results in a pullback, which is exactly what happened. And the price action has actually gone below VWAP. The 9 EMA is stacked below the VWAP, and the 9 EMA is drifting downward, which is a bearish signal. Volume obviously dropping. RSI has dropped from being overbought. It's kind of trying to hold center line. There is a lack of volume right now because we are still over an hour away from power hour. We would want to see this 9 EMA start to curl upward and break through the VWAP. The VWAP is at 51 cents. Let's go ahead and put a marker there with the graffiti pencil. Let's go. It's activated. 51 cents right there. 51 cents. So that's going to be a key level of resistance right there. And of course, breaking through this downtrend is going to be an issue as well. So we got to see what happens with it. It's currently up 59%. We'll see what happens. Let's take a look at EZGO. EZGO. I think this is the company that creates the golf carts. I'm pretty sure I've seen EZGO golf carts at country clubs, Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have. Very, very choppy. Currently up 50%. You could see that it formed that top tail and came crashing down, so it doesn't really hold its price action very well. Let's trade S for EZGO. Well, that's what we're looking at right now. Perfect. Perfectamundo. Perfect. There's a delay in the stream, so I'm guessing he's not seeing this portion of the show yet. Yeah, I think that's what it is, right? Okay, so anyway, it has a habit of flushing, right? Forming top tails and flushing. So in order to trade this, you got to try to catch it as it's moving up, in my opinion. Again, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor or a stock advisor. I'm just telling you how I would trade it. I would trade this by trying to catch the momentum as it's starting to get up and then quickly scalp the trade, because it has this propensity of basically top tailing and flushing down. Top tailing and flushing down. That's the history that EZGO has. Now, it has a 9 million floats, which is not horrible. It's not low, but it's not high either. It's okay. The volume is 32 million, a little bit lower than I would like. I would like to see more volume. It's a 22-cent stock. So the fact that it's a 9 million float, that's relatively low for such an expensive stock. But because it's such an inexpensive stock, they tend to be very, very volatile, and they could jackknife very quickly, right? So right now, let me bring this over here. Hold on. Let me get this to the current chart. There we go. So right now, I take it back. It's 33% is where it's at. It needs to get above the VWAP. Let's go ahead and get a Fibonacci retracement set so we can look at key levels of support and resistance. All right, so here we are. We have the Fibonacci retracement. You could see that the 9 EMA acts as a support right around the same space as the Fibonacci line, so roughly around 18, 19 cents is a support area. You have top tails here. You're going to need volume to start bringing this 9 EMA up to break through the VWAP and the other Fibonacci level at around 21, 22 cents. So that's going to be a key resistance area. If volume comes up and we see that the 9 EMA starts to curl upward, the next resistance area would be 23, and then 26, and then 28-ish, 28, 29-ish, which is where the former high of the day was. And then you'd have another resistance area 32, and then probably like around 35, 36 as well. Volume candles subsiding. Makes sense. We're in a lull as we wait for power to come in. So what I'm going to be looking for as we go through this is I want to see whether or not this RSI will hold above the center line and start moving upward, which would be a bullish pattern. Does the 9 EMA start to curl upward? And of course, does volume start to come in to push EZGO upward? We have Top Success. What's up, bro? How are you? Top Success wants us to take a look at WORX, another stock that ran parabolic, another sub-dollar stock. And basically right now, it ran pretty parabolic. It ran twice, pre-market and into the open. It ran quite parabolic. But it came down pretty hard after that, right? So let's go ahead and create some key levels of support and resistance and take a look at this. So let's go ahead and use a Fibonacci retracement and get ourselves some key levels of support and resistance. Boom, right there. And we have the key levels of support and resistance set up. Now, one of the things that I'm seeing right off the bat is I'm seeing that the 9 EMA is pulling downward and away from the VWAP. We don't want that. We see a center line with the RSI, and we see a diminishment in volume with the volume candles to be expected. Again, power hour, not a lot of, we don't have power hour yet. We're not, we still got about an hour and change before we have power hour. So there's going to be a drop in power, in volume. I'm glad you're doing well, Success. I'm glad you're doing well, brother. So what we need to see is we need to see the price action, first of all, get above the 9 EMA, which is currently resistance, okay? And then we need to see the 9 EMA start to trail upward, and then your next resistance area is going to be around 48 cents, and then a major resistance area will be at VWAP at 51 cents. So that's what we need to see. We could say is that possibly, we might have the beginnings of a descending wedge bull reversal pattern. So let's get the graffiti pencil activated over here, right? And we could see that that downtrend has in fact broken, and we do have consolidation going on. So possibly we can get a descending wedge bull reversal pattern, and that descending wedge bull reversal pattern will continue to trek upward. But the 9 EMA is still banking downward, and that's concerning to me. And there's just not a lot of volume at the moment. So for now, it's a wait and see if volume comes in and gives it volume love. So that's a story with WORX. Let's see what else. We did BIYA. How about we check out BLLN? No, too expensive. No. How about, let me see. Let's take a look at some stocks that are not expensive. They're all kind of on the higher price. So those are the main ones. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to jump in, try to get a victory royale for the community, for the indelibles, and let these stocks cook a little bit. I'm going to put them on a low simmer on the stove, ladies and gentlemen. Indelibles, let it cook. And we'll check back after the game, and by that point there'll be quite a few minutes that will have passed, and we'll be able to see if anything happened to give us a different indication of what's going on with these particular stocks. So let's go ahead and get a doubles. Let's get a share party. We got almost 400 people here. Let's go for 500. Let's go for 500. If you got stocks that you want us to check out, put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. Chat. Put it in the chat. Chat. Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. Let's Trade wants us to check out ASST. Let's check it out. ASST. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of some of the stuff right here because we don't need it. It's distracting. We have the Fibonacci retracement set up over here. So let's take a look at what we have going on. We need to see the RSI start moving upward. We need to see volume candles come in. Obviously, there's a lull between the pre-market trading and the beginning of power hours. We still have an hour before power hour. The 9 EMA is pointing downward. Support's going to be around $1.43. We need to see that 9 EMA start to curl upward. We need to see the price action get above the 9 EMA. We need to see the 9 EMA pierce through the VWAP, which is roughly at $1.50. And if we do see that, then we could potentially have resistance at 154, 158, and 163 would be a significant resistance area because we see that that was a sticking point over here. This could potentially form a double bottom, maybe, if this price action can move up. Here's one bottom right here, and another bottom potentially could form as the price action finds resistance at the VWAP. So we'll keep an eye on it, but it needs volume love at this point. Volume love. That's what it needs. Let's go for a dub, my brother. Let's go. Let's go. You know where I'm going to go, bro? I'm going to go hot drop, bro. I'm going to go hot drop. Right there, bro. Right there. I like that drop. I landed there yesterday, and it was Shamex there. Mixing it up a little, you know? Why not? Why not? Let's go put MTC up here and see how that's doing. MTC don't look too bad. It don't look too bad. It's holding support. Got to keep an eye on it. Up 45%. Oh, man, I wasn't paying attention. It dropped me out. It dropped me out of the bus, but that's okay, because I wanted to land here anyway, so it don't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter, doubles. It don't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter. How many fellas over here? 1, 2, maybe 3. Maybe 3. I need to land, I tell you. I need to land. I landed, bro. I landed, doubles. Not such a wonderful gun. Ooh-wee. Dude, look at this. Holy moly! Let's go, baby. And I hear some gunfire. Let's go, baby. Share it up. Let's get 600. Then we're going to check out some more stonks after that, you know? Why am I out of mats, bro? Get out of here, bro. Come on, bro. Get out of here, bro. Thanks for the gun. Appreciate it. Klutzo. Klutzo maniac. Come on now. Come on now. Why you messing with me? Uh-huh. I'm just saying, bro. Come on, fool. Ooh, look at that. I like that, bro. I like it. I like it a lot, bro. Bruh. I like it, bro. Oh, my. Let's go, baby. Why not? Why not, fella? Ooh-wee. Come on, sweetness. Come on, baby. Thank you for showing me the love. I appreciate it. I do, fellas. Hello. Hello. I feel like I should get going, though, doubles. What do you think, bro? Right? I should get going, right? Let's go. Let's go. Oh, we got almost 600 people here. Let's go, baby. Share it up. Let's get more. Oh, man. Why did I do that? I hate when I do that, bruh. I hate when I give myself some injuries, you know? I don't like it. I don't like it. Let's share it up. Let's get to 700. We're watching the stonks right now. None of them are really moving that well right now, you know, doubles. They're moving kind of comme ci, comme ça. It's all right. Don't matter none. Don't matter none. Oh, my, bro. Oh, my. What's going on over here? Anything going on? Can we take anything over here? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on over here? Somebody already came? No, nobody came. Ooh-wee! I don't need it. I think I should take the dynamite, though, bro. What do you think, bro?
Yeah.
Ammo, maybe? Why not?
Maybe.
Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? I need ammo, bro. I need ammo, bro. I need me some ammo, brother. Oh, my. Oh, my. Ooh, campfire. Why not? Let's go. Let's share it up, share it up, share it up. Let's get to 700. Let me know if you got some stonks you want me to look at. Give me some information. I'll check it out. Oh, one out. Oh, my. Bro, what do you think? Should I go for this? Should I go with the dynamite? Should I go with the sniper? What would you do, doubles? Tell me. I don't have room for it. I'm keeping my heals and I'm keeping my rift to go, bro. Alright, I'm taking the sniper. Yeah, you're being difficult, doubles. Every day you come and you get the 40, you give me $3, I give you 50 cents, but today, we got some enemies over here, doubles. We got some enemies, enemies. Oh my, I feel like I should show him some love. What do you think, bro? Ooh, there's another enemy right here by himself, bro. How about this guy right here? How about we get this fella right here? Show him some love, bro. Why not? Some volume love, bro. Right there. What? What's the matter, you? He got a headache. Oh, man. He got domed. What happened? Oh, poor fella. What's the matter? What's the matter, you, baby? What's the matter, you? Hey, gotta know respect. What do you think you do? Hey, la 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 la. Get out of here, critter. Get out of here, critter. Let's do a share party, baby. Let's go, baby. Come on now. You can't mess with the coach. Nah, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, fella. I tried to let you go away, but no, you had to be a Billy Bad. Look at you now. Look at you now. What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened, Doubles? What happened to him, bro? Billy Bad, bro. He got a headache, yo. I gave him a haircut, brother. I gave him a haircut. You know what I mean? I did. I tell you, I did. I gave him a haircut. I gave him a haircut. What a critter, bro. What a critter. He trying to mess with the coach. Come on now. Come on, fella. I got purple, bro. Oh, there's a turkey over there, bro. I feel like I should have a turkey shoot. Come on, baby. Come on, fella. Let me go get you. Let me show you some love. Some coach love. Why not? I'm going to give you some loving. Come on here, fella. Oh, my goodness. He's right over there. I see the fella. I sees him. He's fighting the other guy. The other guy's shooting at me, too. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You want to play? You want to play with me, fella? Come on. Go ahead. Go ahead, I tell you. Share it up, share it up, share it up. Let's get to, I don't know, 1,500. Oh, no, bro. No, I'm not going to take the gold one, bro. I'm not, because that one's suppressed. I like the one that's not suppressed, bro. Because it goes like that, bro. Baby. Fella. Like that, bro. Like that. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, did you like that snipe, bro? Let's share it up, share it up, share it up. Let's go, baby. Let's share it up. We need some stonks to move, bro. Come on now. What is this? What is that? Nah, we don't want none of that garbage. We don't want none of that garbage, doubles. We don't want it, I tell you. Garbagiashimo. Garbagiashimo, as we like to call it. Garbage, garbage. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 800. MTC pulling down. Needs to hold support at around $3.19. Needs to hold it. Needs to hold the support level. Where we going, doubles? I don't know, bro. Where should I go, man? I wasn't paying attention, bro. You see, I wasn't paying attention, bro. I wasn't paying attention, my brother. I was not. I was not. I feel like I should land on people, bro. Clip it! Clip it good. Clip it good. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. I don't see nobody, bruh. I don't see nobody, bruh. Bruh. I left out the bruh part. Bruh. Bruh, bruh, bruh. I don't see nobody. I don't feel nobody. Where they at? Where they at? Let me at them, I tell you. Let me at them. Oh, yeah. Bada binga. Bada bing, bada binga. Bada binga. Bada binga. Bada binga, binga, binga. I don't see nobody, bro. This is annoying. I hear gunfire, though. I hear gunfire, bruh. I hear gunfire, bruh. Oh my goodness, there's gunfire over here. There's some enemies over here. Enemy. Where they at? Where they at, bruh? I don't see nobody. Do you see him? Somebody over here, bro. I don't see nothing either, bro. Nothing, honey. Nothing, honey. There's activity over there, bro. I feel like I should move towards there, you know? Let's go, bro. Right over there, there's fighting right there, see? Straight ahead. I sees them. I see the... Oh, look, they got a little fort over here. Fort. What is all this, bro? What is all this? I feel like I should attack it, bro. Somebody's here. Doubles. Why are there so many people messing with me, bro? I'm getting out of here, bro. I'm out. I'm out, bro. I've had enough. I had enough, bro. You know, I gotta go. 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 Don't go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I'm gone, bruh. I'm gone, bruh. Oh, I got dinged, bruh. What is up with these fellas? They don't like the coach? What's up? What's up? Ooh, look at that. Let's get some of that. Ooh, a heavy rifle. A heavy one. Oh, look at here, doubles. Look at that. Look at that. Man, I'm wide open, bro. And I don't like it, bro. I don't like this terrain, fella. But I'm gonna go over here. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Let's share it up. Almost 800. Let's go to 900. BIYA 48%. Man, what the heck, bro? What the heck is going on, bro? Why is this game so sweaty? Bro, what the heck? Holy moly! Holy moly! I gotta find some height, bro. Storm is coming. Let's get the share party going on. Support at $3.19 fails for MTC, baby. This guy made me burn through a lot of mats, bro. He didn't like that shot, bro. He didn't like that, bro. Did you catch that? He did not like the love I gave him. He didn't like that 110. He didn't like it. He didn't like it, I tell you. Okay. Good call, bro. No, hold on, bro. Storm's coming, bro. All right, all right, all right. Baby, let's go, baby. Let's go. Those hips don't lie. Look at those hips. Look at it, bro. Yo, and you know I gotta laugh at you. You know I gotta laugh at you. You know I gotta laugh at you for the indelibles, bro. Wagwan. Why you go? Wagwan, baby. Wagwan. What's up, baby? What's up? What's up? Indelibles, dedicated to you. Love you. Love you. Now let's go check out some stonks, baby. Stonk time. Power Play. You're watching Power Play. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. Make sure you're following us on Twitter, aka x.com, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Financial news on x.com. And of course, pre-market, regular hours, and after hours, Monday through Friday. Everything having to do with microcaps and small cap stocks, technical analysis, news, filings, and much, much more. Follow us on x.com at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And we're also streamed live on Twitch at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And last but not least, we're also on TikTok, bro. Tiki-taki, or as Doubles likes to call it, the tack. Yes, and over there, we're at DBL Nicks, at DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. Let's go, baby. And of course, if you want an incredible community to join, and you want to have phenomenal scanners for market movers, phenomenal scanners for breakouts, you want to have access to float and volume. So you know what the supply of the shares are, and you know what the demand of the shares are. And if you want to be able to do research on the news that's pushing the stock up, or you want to know what filings they've done, we got all of that. We got all of that. And on top of that, we got the early watch list every evening at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We come up with a list for what is most likely of interest to us, and most of the time anywhere from 1, 2, 3, or 4 of those tickers actually end up being parabolic runners the next day. So go ahead and click the link in the description or in the pinned comment for a 4-day trial so you could see it with your own eyes at Coach Nick Money, right? At Coach Nick Money, and the link is in the description and in the pinned comment for a 4-day trial for $9.99. So go ahead and click that link and join us. Let us know you saw us on the stream. Of course, set your notifications on YouTube for at Coach Nick Money so that you can see the show. I got the star of the show for Microcap Mornings. I got one of the stars with me right here. DBL Nick's in the house. AKA the Range Maker, baby. He's the star of Microcap Mornings Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time into the open. So pre-market and in the open, he is hunting down parabolic stocks with the Serengeti specialist herself, the ABCD specialist herself, DBL Moms. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So make sure you got the notifications set on for that. Let's go and see what's going on. All right. I don't like what MTC is doing right now. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Looks like it's doing an irregular double top over here. It needs to get above $3.21. This is going to be a significant resistance area for it and has to get above that. I like the fact that the 90 MA is stacked above the VWAP. That's good. RSI is close to the overbought area, pulling back down. Volume is kind of light. Again, we still have 35 minutes before power hour, baby. So there's still a lot of time for volume to come in and give volume love to MTC. MTC basically had an issue with being in compliance with NASDAQ. It was under $1 just a day or two ago, and it just went berserk yesterday and ran up 400% doubles. Something like that. Yeah, something like that. And today it hit like 66% again. So this is a multi-day runner. I'm pretty sure it has a filing to dilute, but they haven't really gone too crazy with it. I mean, they've really been letting it push up. You know, I guess they want to make sure that they comply with that $1 minimum bid, right? That $1 minimum bid so they can maintain their NASDAQ standing. So that's the situation with MTC. Somebody wants us to check out Open Sesame, Open, Opa, Weapons. Okay, so let's get rid of some of this stuff over here so I can see what's going on. Let's go check it out. Let's go check out what's going on with Open. Currently at $6.87. It has been oversold, so it needs volume love to push the RSI back up, back up. Let's go and take a look at the Fibonacci retracement. Let's pull this back just a hair. Hold on 1 second. Let's pull it back right there. Let's get the Fibonacci retracement activated doubles. Here we go, here we go, here we go again. So it's holding support roughly at around $6 and change. All right, needs to really curve. We need the 9 EMA and the VWAP to curve. If it can hold this level and volume comes in, we could see resistance at the next level. You could see right around $7.45. And if it breaks through that area, another resistance area, which you can see right over here, is right around $7.82. And then another resistance area, which is a way more significant resistance area, would be at $8.15, $8.18. So those are some key levels of support, of resistance that it would need to break through. And of course, it's holding support roughly at around $6.90 right now. We want it to continue to curl upwards so that it doesn't sink down to a lower support area. So that's Open. We got somebody that wants BYND. BYND. Let's go check it out. Beyond the beat. Where's the beef? Yay. It's got a conference call in 5 days. It's got earnings in 5 days. And we still have the Fibonacci retracement from yesterday, which is still valid. A lot of basic consolidation. It's drifted ever so slightly downward towards the support area of 54 cents. We want it to basically reverse on the RSI and start moving up. It needs volume. It hasn't gotten the volume love. Hopefully, as it gets closer to the conference call and the earnings, people will be interested in seeing what's going on and push the price action up. But right now, it's down 1.74%. The next resistance area would be at around $3 and change as a significant resistance area, but there's resistance areas before that, like right around $1.79 and also right at $1.62. So you got a bunch of support and resistance areas here that we can take a look at with Beyond the Meat. Beyond the meat, yo. Beyond the meat. Let's go take a look at BIYA. BIYA. Let's go check it out. So this stock right here went below. It did not. Wait, are we on? Yeah, this is it. It did not really break out from the double top that it had formed, right? So it formed a double top. We just charted this earlier. It had a downtrend. It's still trying to curl, but it hasn't really significantly curled upward with the 9 EMA so that it can pierce where the VWAP is, which is roughly at around 51 cents. We need volume love, of course. But again, it's only 31 minutes before. It's 31 minutes before power hour. So there's lack of volume across the board because this is the lull time. That's why we created the Power Play show, so we can go ahead and review stocks that we might be interested in for power hour and at the same time have some fun with the community and dedicate some dubs like the dub I just got for y'all, because y'all the Indelible Tribe. What does the Indelible Tribe mean? It means I want you to achieve your victories in life. I want you to achieve your goals, your aspirations, baby. I want you to be happy. I want you to make other people happy. I want you to be an inspiration to other people. I want you to just be a good person, baby. Let's go. Be who you are. I want you to leave your mark for other people. Make that mark unerasable, a.k.a. indelible. That's why you're part of the Indelible Tribe. See how I did that? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. And I always want to thank you all for joining us. We're still streaming. I'm not cutting the stream down. We're still streaming. I just want to thank you because I want to thank you. Yeah. I want to thank you. You guys are off the hook. I love y'all. You're the bomb. Diggity. Yeah. Let's go get a share party going on. Let's get it to 1,100. We're over 1,000 already. Let's go, baby. I hope y'all saw that victory royale that I got for y'all. Man, it felt so good to win for them, bro. You know, I mean, the last couple of days it's been pretty sweaty. I'm not telling you, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Did you see how much I had to work that?
Oh yeah.
Holy! And this is like the third victory royale where people just died in the storm. They just couldn't keep up with the building that I was throwing at them, yo. Come on, baby. Come on. You better go back to creative and learn how to build, fellas. Come on now. Maybe you might want to try zero build for the children. Come on now. Huh. Whoa.
Whoa, I like to play zero build.
Be quiet, Doubles. Doubles, be quiet. I'm ranking out on the fellas that keep dying in the storm. Come on now. Come on, Doubles. Come on. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Let's take a look at WORK. Another stock that ran parabolic earlier. WORK. Let's take a look at it. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. We were hoping that it would break out of a descending wedge bull reversal. It looks like it's trying to, but I need to see more curvature on the 9 EMA. We do have time. We do have time. It is still 29 minutes before power hour. So we need to see that 9 EMA really start to curve and make its way beyond the 51 cent mark, which is where VWAP is. We see there's not a lot of volume right now. You can see that also in the RSI. Again, understandable. There's still 28 minutes before power hour. Power hour. Yeah. Doubles, I think with the regular mode of Fortnite, I think the key is to have a lot of heals, bro. Like a lot of heals. I think that's very critical in that mode. You know what I mean? Yeah, I think so, bro. I think so. Yeah.
I guess that's why they make it so that the chug jug doesn't go bye-bye immediately.
Bro, did you see that? I was shocked that chug jug is like infinity, bro. I mean, it wasn't infinity, but it was a lot, right? It was a lot, right? Mama Money made me some coffee. Mama Money. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, so I guess we'll keep an eye on WORK with its descending wedge bull reversal, right? Because the other ones don't look too good. They don't look too good. They don't look too good. So let's go ahead and check out BIYA real quick. Yeah. I mean, that's a double top over there. I mean, I guess if volume comes in and blesses it with some volume love, you could conceivably say that this one's a descending wedge too, but I think it's a little too premature. Right now, it's still under the spell of that double top. It needs volume. Doubles, it needs volume. And then, of course, MTC, trending upward. I guess this, I mean, if it can stay above this 319 right here, it could be schmexy. You know what I mean? Doubles. So let's give it a trend line. It is trending upward, bro. I'm not going to lie. It is trending upward. It is trending upward, doubles. You know what I mean? I don't know, doubles. I don't know. Maybe. Could it be? You just don't know. All right, you know what? I'm going to keep an eye on MTC. I'm going to keep an eye on it. Why not? Let's go get another dub for the community. If you want any particular stock checked out, if you want us to do some technical analysis, a little T&A on it, a little technical analysis, and then analysis, a little technical and then analysis. What, doubles? What did I say?
Analysis.
T&A. Yeah. Technical analysis. And analysis, no?
Okay.
Technical and analysis, yo. What's wrong with you, doubles? Come on, man. I've raised you better than that. Get your head out of the sewer. Get your head out of the sewer, son. Come on now. Come on. Hey, yo. What's wrong with you, doubles? All right, we got almost 1,200 people in the stream. Let's go, baby. Let's get it to 1,500. 1,500. Let's finish the weekend strong. We're almost there. It's Thursday. Let's go and pump it up, baby. Let's go. 1,500, 2,000. Come on, baby. Y'all got it in you. We're watching some stonks over here to see if they keep going up right now. We're watching MTC. MTC has broken the resistance area at $3.19. It's holding the level at $3.19, and it wants to go up. I hope. In fact, you know what? I'm going to be positive about it. Let's go and get some positivity going on. Let's give some positivity love to MTC. Let's go ahead and say maybe it could be a bull pennant. Could it be a bull pennant, doubles? Could it be a bull pennant? Doubles, could it be a bull pennant?
Yes.
A bull pennant. Why not? Look at that. Yo, that crown looks really schmexy on there. I'm just saying. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We got almost 1,200 folks in here. Let's go for 1,300. Let's go. 1,300. Yo, that guy chopped the building down, bro. Look at that. Holy. Yo, where did I land, bro? I landed right here at Lucky Landings, bro. I've been having some luck coming out of Lucky Landings, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Bro, you know what I'm doing right now, right? I'm doing a little jumpy. 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 Jumpy, jumpy. Juicy. Yo, how many enemies here? 1, 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5. Let's go. Let's land and take care of business, baby. Oh, this is not what. Oh, bro, look at my loadout, bro. Are you kidding me, bro? Are you kidding me? Oh, bro, look at this, bro. This is insanity, bro. Holy, bro. I should, right? Hold on. I got an enemy nearby. Let's get a little situated over here first, bro. Let's not get excited. There's nobody to fight. I'm not fighting anybody yet, bro. Where they at, bro? Right there, bro. I'm gonna go get that guy. Ooh, I don't have any mats, bro. Oh, he wasn't ready. I didn't clip it, bro. I didn't clip it. I wouldn't clip it. Clip it good. But I feel bad, bro. I don't want to hurt his feelings, bro. I felt really bad doing that to him. I really did. Could you tell that I was upset about it?
No, you weren't.
Not even a little bit, bro. Don't kid yourself. I didn't care. I didn't care because he would have laughed at me with no problemo, bro. No problemo. You know he would be laughing. He'd be going, hor. You know how they do. You know how they do, bro. You know how nasty some of these fellas could be to the poor coach. You know. I'm telling you, bro. BIYA. 56%. 53% on MTC. Multi-day runner ran, what, almost 400% yesterday? Anime. Well, why not? Where did the guy go? Where'd he go? Where you at? Where you at, fool? Where you at, fool? Where that fool at? I don't know, dude. I don't know where he's at. Yo, there's somebody still watching me, bro. You got that kind of hatred, bro? For real? Come on, man. It's just a game, bro. Wee! Holy moly, doubles!
What'd you do?
I got myself an SMG.
SMG.
A P90. Oh, man. Fire. Gotta be down here somewhere. Oh, bro! Are you kidding me? Bro! How did he do that? He got through before I said it, bro. He did, bro. Oh, get the... All right, go get a job, bro. 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 Let's go take a look at some of the stonks, bro. Let's take a look at some of the stonks right now. Let's go take a look at them. What else we got, doubles? What other stonks do we have? Easy Go. Let's go to Easy Go. We're still in a pennant situation with MTC. Let's go to Easy Go. Easy Go. Easy Go. It's still on the VWAP, but it's pushing up. So it's heading towards the VWAP resistance at 21 and 22 cents. RSI pulling upward, doing all of this on very light volume. Light volume. It needs more volume, but it is moving upward, up 40, 50%, 50% doubles, 50%. Yesh, baby, yesh. How about we look at another stock? How about, let's see, how about SKYT? SKYT. SKYT. Why not? SKYT. SKYT up 30%. Float is kind of heavy at 30 mil. Volume kind of light at 6 mil. Bum, bum. But it's trending upward, bro. You see, that guy can't get me upset, y'all. It don't matter that you danced on me. It's okay. I wish you the best. In real life, I wish you the best. Doubles. In real life, I wish him the best. I'd like to show him some coach love in real life. Always show love to your fellow man and fellow woman. I personally like to show it to my fellow woman. I couldn't resist, bro. I had to go there. I had to go there. I had to go there, y'all. I had to go there. All right. So it looks like it's setting itself up for a flat top breakout over here. Maybe. SKYT. Shares are trading higher after the company beat its Q3 earnings and revenue estimates. That's the story. And it issued a strong guidance for Q4. So it's got a positive outlook for Q4. It did really well in Q3, and the price action moved up. It's a little bit more expensive than I like. I would say doubles. I would say price is about $19. $19. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go to the share party going on. We got almost 1,400 folks as we get closer and closer to power hour. Right now, we are about 16 minutes away from power hour. Let's go take a look at some other stocks. I'm trying to get stocks that have low float. You know what I mean? Yeah. A lot of these stocks have high floats. Fofo. Yo, Fofo, what's up? Can you imagine going through life as a stock and your name is Fofo? Come on, man. I guess Fufu would be worse, but Fofo? For real? For real? For real, for real? Come on now. All right, so we'll go to the 5-minute chart. You can see it's forming a cup and handle, I guess. The RSI is trying to move up, but it just doesn't have a lot of volume. It's currently up 11. What is it? It's up 30% on low volume. Hang Fang Technologies. I'm assuming it's a China stock. China, and those critters move on low float. They're kind of they're kind of risque, but yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like wearing flats at a dinner party instead of high heels, risque. Let's take a look at EZRO, EZGO. Let's take a look at it. Oh, double bottom. Oh, your bottoms look good, baby. Double bottoms. Resistance at the VWAP, which we talked about. Resistance at the key level of 21. cents on the Fibonacci. So this is going to be a significant resistance area. But if it can break it, baby. It formed a double bottom on the 5-minute. RSI is moving towards overbought. It's in a bullish pattern, and it's doing all of this right now with not a lot of volume. Still 14 minutes available for power hour. So there's still time for it to have power hour. We got over 1,400 folks in the stream watching us. Let's go get a share party going on. And of course, I want you to understand that you're going to want to take advantage of the 4-day trial for the Discord community, because if you like what's going on over here, we really hammer it down in the Discord. The Discord, we're a lot more serious, bro. I mean, we're not stuffed shirts, but we're more serious, because when it comes to making money, you know what I mean, doubles? We got to be serious, right? So in the Discord, we're a lot more serious than this, and we have a lot of tools available to make sure that we're the early bird that gets the cash, baby, and that our community are the early birds that get the cash, the cashola, the big bucks, the loot, I tell ya, the gold bullions, you know? What else? The platinum belt, you know?
Platinum belt.
I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm like thinking about Power Rangers or something. I don't know. What do I know? I don't know. Anyway, so that's the story. We're waiting to see if some of these tickers can move for us. Let's take a look at AFJK. This stock ran quite parabolic and halt after halt, very light volume, went up 208%, and then came tumbling down. It too has formed a double bottom, but it's sub VWAP and it's on light volume, so not nearly as attractive as Easy Go. Easy Go is a very inexpensive stock, so it's going to be very volatile and very difficult as well, but it has the better chart. MTC, it's in this pennant, bro, and this stock has run quite a bit, doubles, quite a bit in the past couple of days, and it is tightly bound within this pennant. So this is definitely going to be something that I'm going to keep an eye on. So I'm going to leave it at Easy Go for now. I'm going to let it simmer on the stove a little bit, you know, let it simmer. Why not? We'll keep an eye on it. Doubles, keep an eye on MTC as well for me, why don't you? If you see MTC starting to boogie, oogie, till you just can't boogie no more, let me know, and we'll switch it up to MTC. MTC, we got almost 1,500 folks here. Let's get the share party going on, baby. Let's go. All right, time to get another dubs. I feel it, doubles. I feel like I had that victory royale in the beginning of the session.
You need the coach doubles.
I think Coach Doubles needs to come into the scenario, bro. You know what I mean? Coach Doubles, what's up? Oh my goodness. I should have won that last match, by the way, bro, against that guy. I beat myself. You know, that doesn't sound right? That does not sound. In other words, I defeated myself in that match. Doubles, what is wrong with you? Doubles, you're making fun of me saying TNA. I mean, it clearly needs technical analysis, and I don't know what you thought it meant. I have no idea. And now I'm talking about beating myself in the game, and I don't know, bro. What is wrong with you? What's wrong with you, son?
That don't sound right.
Come on now. Pause.
That must be left because it don't sound right.
That's my line, bro. I'm going to start charging it, bro. I'm going to start charging it for all those lines you keep stealing, fella.
You steal some of mine.
What's in the blue? Why not? Well, which one did I take from you, bro? But I only borrowed it. I'll give it back to you. Come on now. Yeah, but you take all my lines, bro. Come on. What?
Schmexy.
No, Schmexy was me, bro. Bro, come on, man. Well, you are Schmexy, bro. I'm just saying. You are Schmexy. Yes, girl. Shut up, you bum, yeah. Shut up, you bum, yeah. Where you at, you bum, yeah? I got no more ammo. I can't say that. I'm gonna fall! Oh, it didn't let me fall. Bro. Where should I don't want to go somewhere too aggressive, bro. Lucky Landings is right underneath the bus, bro. I don't want that. You know, I'm gonna go to the Grove, baby. Grove time. Let's go to the grove before it goes under the storm. It's gonna be under the ice pretty soon, Doubles. The end of the month, bro. Polar Peak is gonna take over. Take over. Does the Viking disappear? No, Viking just becomes snow covered, right?
Yeah.
Right. And then look, Happy Hamlet comes in, right? What else? What's the other one, bro? Happy Hamlet, Polar Peak. Greasy Grove gets frozen over, right? It gets frozen over. Tilted Towers stays. Yeah. Ooh, look at here. Maybe I should get these things right here. Kind of high, though. Kind of high, bro. I gotta get down. Pause. Pause, Doubles. Why are you making me pause all the time? All right, let's go over here. Let's go over here, Doubles. Let's go. Let's get this going on. 4 chests? Why not, bro? Ain't nothing wrong with that, right? Ain't nothing wrong with that, bro. Whoop, whoop. The sound of the Parabolics. Right, Doubles? Come on. Yeah, man. You know we're gonna do it, right?
Oh yeah.
We're gonna do a song for the Indelibles, bro. The sound of the Parabolics. Whoop, whoop. The sound of the Parabolics. Whoop, whoop. Holy moly. Oh, hey, oh. Let's go, baby. Come on now. Let me in, I tell ya. Woo-wee. Wow. Wow. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. I like it. It tastes like blueberry. Blueberry. Come on, stocks run, baby. BIYA 50%. WORX 36%. Come on, man. We need some volume. Oh, look at this, fellas. I need some of that right there, bro. Right there. Ooh, what is that? No. Maybe I should take the mini stuff. Why not? Why not, Doubles? Why not? I hear some gunfire somewhere, bro. You hear it?
Yeah.
I hear some gunfire. I hear some gunfire. I hear the pew-pews, bro. You hear it? I don't see them, but I hear it. If I could get a decent AR like right there, I will investigate, Doubles. Oh, right there. Uh-huh. Where'd he go? He's hiding.
He ran to the right. He ran to the right to that building.
Alright. Alright. You know what? We're gonna back out a little.
He's right there. Right in front. To your right. To your right.
I don't see him, bro.
To your right.
Where is he, bro?
Look right.
I'm looking right. I don't see him.
Right. As in full right. Turn around.
There?
Yeah, that way. That way. He was in this house.
In here?
He was. I don't know if he's still here.
I'm gonna pull back, bro.
Yeah.
Because he's a hiding, he's a hider, bro. I don't like hiding. Yeah, the fella hides a lot, bro. I don't like that, bro. I need to get a better picture of where this critter could possibly be, bro. And I lost a lot of mats with this guy, too. You know what I mean, Doubles? You know what I'm talking about? We got 1,600 peoples here. Let's go for 1,700. BIYA 57%. 57%. Moving, grooving. 10 million float. Somebody's here, bro. Where is he, bro? Where is this guy, bro? He's annoying, bro. He's freaking annoying, this guy. Right there, bro. Right there. See him?
Use your rocket.
want to give him some love. I know. It's too far, bro. Yeah, it's too far. I'm going to get closer. Yeah. Because he's moving too fast, you know what I mean? I am. Yep, I know. Yeah, I know. Oh, bro, I should have gave him the rocket. That was bad on me. That was my bad. My bad. Yeah. I misplayed that, bro. I misplayed that. All right, easy go. Let's go. Easy come, easy go. Let's go and check it out. It just pulled back from VWAP. Now it's below VWAP and it's below the Fibonacci at 21 cents. So this resistance area is significant. 21 cents, 22 cents. It did form a double bottom. It needs volume love. We got 3 minutes before power hour. And as I always say, power hour is no guarantee that you're going to have immediate volume. A lot of times it needs to start to kick in. So usually 315, 320, 325, 330, it starts to seep in. So let's get a share party going on. Let's get a share party going on. We're going to go check out some of these stonks right now. Let's go ahead and review some of the stonks, baby. Let's review some of the stonks. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. A lot of due diligence videos, a lot of great content on the YouTube channel. And of course, you want to follow us on x.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We got all kinds of financial news provided to you on x.com at Coach Nick Money. And of course, we got pre-market, regular hours, and after hours, micro cap and small cap, everything about it. We got technical analysis, charting. We got ourselves the news, the filings, all kinds of wonderful stuff. All kinds of wonderful stuff. So follow us on x.com at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, and of course we're on all kinds of social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, and of course we're also on Twitch, live streaming on Twitch at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, and last but not least, we're also on TikTok, Tiki at DBL Nicks. At DBL NICKS, and the screen name, of course, is Coach Nick Money. All right, Easy Geo is kind of pissing me off a little bit, bro. It's an inexpensive stock, so it's probably not the type of stock that I would trade anyway, but it really needs to get above that VWAP at 22 cents. It did form what appears to be a double bottom, but I'm a little concerned because there's just not a heck of a lot of volume love at this moment. But I'm not that concerned because there's 1 minute before power hour. So as power hour starts to come in, maybe some of the volume love will go to easy go, easy go. Easy come, easy go. Let's see what happens. The RSI is still kind of neutral. We need to start seeing the RSI start moving upward. The volume candles are kind of low. They're kind of low, so we need to see that happen as well. Let's go to BIYA. It was moving while we were playing the last game, and it basically formed a bearish pattern in just before power hour. So you had the double top over here. So what I'm going to do right now is, it looks like the flush portion of the show has already happened with this stock, so I'm going to get rid of the double top so it doesn't look so confusing, right? Let's get rid of that. And right now what we're hoping that this is a descending wedge bull reversal pattern. The 9 EMA currently is bearish underneath the VWAP. The VWAP has drifted upward, so that's a good sign. VWAP is now 52 cents where it was 51 cents. So you have a general movement upward, but it's ever so slightly. But we are getting into power hour, and this stock did run quite parabolic earlier in the day. So hopefully we'll get some parabolic love, parabolic. You know what I'm saying? The sound of the parabolics. Whoop, whoop. The sound of the parabolics. Whoop, whoop. Come on, parabolic. Parabolic. Cha-cha-cha. Parabolic. Cha-cha-cha. As I sway my shoulders from side to side. Don't make me dance, because I'll shake my fang. I'm going to shake it, baby. Look at my hips. They don't lie, I tell you. They don't lie. Woo! That's some heat over there, bro. That's some hotness right there. Uh-huh. You betcha. You betcha. Uh-huh. All right, so we need to see the 9 EMA start curling upward and breaking through the VWAP. All right, I need that. I want that. I want it, I tell you, doubles. I want it. Let's make it look even more like a descending wedge. There you go. Look, descending wedge. Well, reversal, but it needs volume to validate it. It's up right now. Right now, it's up 59%. It is a 10 million float stock. It had a lot of volume today. You could see it on our custom scanners from the Discord that we're sharing with you on the left side of the screen. 335 million volume. So 355 million shares exchanged hands on this 44-cent stock today. So it got a lot of attention. 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 So let's go take a look at MTC, which is a multi-day runner. Let's see what that's doing. MTC. And it is still in that bull pennant type of scenario. There's not a heck of a lot of volume. I don't like the fact that the price action is curling downward, but it is still above the VWAP. The 9 EMA is still above the VWAP. So now that we're in power hour officially, we're 1 minute into power hour, hopefully volume will start to come in. The RSI will recover and we'll start seeing bigger volume candles. And now as the price moves down to where the VWAP is, which is right at around $2.65, we're hoping that the price action will hold and the 9 EMA will start to curl upward and the VWAP will follow it as well. We need for it to stay above this bottom part of the trend line, this bottom trend line of the bull pennant to remain viable. Right now, it's up 22%. It was up 66% earlier in the day, and this is a stock that ran up, I guess, right around 400% yesterday, right, Doubles?
Yes.
Yeah, on news. I'm pretty sure it was news that they had received notification, not yesterday, but a couple of days ago, they had received notification that they were in violation of the NASDAQ minimum price rule of being at $1. And you could see how that went. The stock just went completely bonkers. And yeah, it basically went up as high as almost $4. How about that? Right now, it's $2.79. So we'll keep an eye on MTC to see what's going on with that one. Let's go take a look at EZGO. This is a very inexpensive stock, so it's going to be extremely volatile, extremely risky, a lot of top wicks. But look at this, doubles. The double bottom, doubles, the double bottoms, double bottom. It's moving, it's moving, it's grooving, it's grooving. It is above the VWAP now. That is beautiful. We like the fact that it's above the VWAP. If I stretch it out, you can clearly see that it formed a bullish pattern with a double bottom. Then the VWAP, the RSI is starting to move upward, moving towards oversold, but there's plenty of real estate for it to keep going in that direction. It'll be volatile because it's an inexpensive stock, but it is, in fact, moving upward. So let's see what happens with it. Let's see what happens with it. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So we got a double bottom on EZGO. This one looks pretty good. The only thing that concerns me is it's one of those cheap stocks. So let's trade. Asked about it. Here's some support areas. VWAP is 22 cents. Support on the Fibonacci is also at 21 cents. The next resistance area would be 23. And then way up here, which is where the other top is, would be a significant resistance area, 26. So over here would be an area where it could potentially risk becoming a double top and a bearish pattern. But we have power hour behind us, so hopefully a lot of volume will come in and the price action will just smash through 26 cents. And then we'll have a test of the high 29 cents right around here, right? And then if it breaks through that area, the next level would be around 33 cents. So those are the key levels of support and resistance. Volume candles are ever so slightly starting to get more increased in size. So that's a good sign. And it's still only 4 minutes into power hour. Easy go up 54% right now. So that's what's going on with it. BIYA, let's take a look at it one more time. BIYA, let's take a look at it one more time. Let's refresh the screen. Let's go. Da, na, 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 na. I mean, you know, not a very impressive descending wedge bull reversal pattern, but ever so slightly moving upwards. So hopefully as we get deeper into power hour, it'll start to get volume and we'll see that it's going to start to really crank its way up to where the VWAP is, which is around 52 cents, and break through that resistance area. Let's get a share party going on. We're almost at 1,900. Let's get to over 2,000 doubles. Over 2,000. If you're enjoying the content, go ahead and give it the thumbs up. Give it a subscribe, follow, share, comment. All that stuff helps the show grow, and the more it grows, the more content we can put out for you. So let's go and get it done. Indelibles, let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. MTC, one more time. Let's take a look at it. Let's see what's going on with it. Multi-day runner, still in that pennant, holding the VWAP. That's going to be a critical area. I want to put a level there. So let me go ahead and get the read events activated. And right there is the VWAP. Right there is the VWAP, right? And you could also see that that's where the double top was that ultimately brought the price action down. So this becomes a significant support and resistance area. So hopefully it's going to respect this area and start to curl upward. We're going to keep a very close eye on this stock because when it moves, it can move quite aggressively. So hopefully that's what will happen with MTC. Easy Go is now up 67%. Easy Go, baby. Easy Go up 24 cents. Na 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 na. It actually hit 25 cents. 25 cents. It hit 25 cents and it's pushing. It's pushing. Can it pump and pump? Can it get to the next resistance area right over here? Significant resistance, 26 cents. Can it make it there? Let's do a share party. Let's share it up, share it up, share it up. We're watching Easy Go, 26 cents. Currently up, 62%. 62% trying to reclaim the wick, the top, tail. It's trying to reclaim it. Let's go, baby. Double bottom. Double bottom bull pattern has broken VWAP. I like it. I like it. We're now 7 minutes into power hour. RSI moving up. Volume candles green moving up. All indications are that it's going to start moving, hopefully. That's what we're hoping for. Again, not financial advice, not stock advice. This is just a show, baby. Da-da-da-da-da-da. And you are the Indelibles, baby, and we love y'all. Okay, price action starting to pull back ever so slightly. Needs to hold 23 cents. Needs to hold 23 cents. Let's keep an eye on it. I don't think all the volume has come in just yet. These candles are not as large and aggressive as the candles over here. We don't need them to be as large as this, but I want me some more length in these candles right here. I want some more volume. Look, the RSI is moving up towards overbought. Let's go, baby. Push it up, push it up, push it up. Come on. Aggressive. Be aggressive. Huh. You know how the cheerleaders do that? How do the cheerleaders do it with the pom-pom? Be aggressive. A-G. Aggressive. A-G. Aggressive. I don't know, Doubles. Leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone, bro. Bro, you've been giving me a hard time all day. All day. All day you've been giving me a hard time. All day. All day, Papi Chulo. All day. I'm just saying, right now.
The same 40 every day. You give me $3, I give you 50 cents. You don't give me problem, but today you want to give me problem.
That's not exactly what he said. But we're PG here. We're PG here. Unless I get jump scared, in which case I'll curse. But it's not because I wants to. It's because I got to.
It's because it's, just instant.
It just happens because people jump scare me. They jump scare me, Doubles. They scare me. I'm like, oh, what happened here? What happened? I should have had that guy, by the way.
No, you say something else, but no.
That last game, I should have had that guy with the minigun. Yeah. I blew it, bro.
Use the rocket.
I know. I don't know. I don't know, dude. I thought I had him without it, you know? It was kind of silly on my part. I had it, and I should have just given it to him.
The man said, oh, yeah, he's firing a machine. He's firing a minigun at me. I'm just going to run it right at him.
I don't know. Sometimes I just get too aggressive. Top tail. We don't like the top tail, Doubles. We want some bottom tails. Okay, so we're going to keep an eye on EZGO. We're going to keep an eye on BIYA. We're going to keep an eye on MTC. Indelibles, you are indelibles because I want y'all to leave your everlasting mark and make sure it's unerasable. I want you to achieve your goals and your aspirations. I want you to be inspirational to others. It's so much more fun when you're making a lot of money and having success with everyone around you, bringing everybody up with you. Ladies and gentlemen, you guys are awesome. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Doubles wants to thank you from the bottom of his heart. You make this all possible, and we want to thank you, and we appreciate you. Every day, I want to remind you of that. We want you to know that we don't take it for granted what you do, and I hope that you're enjoying what we do for you. I hope so. I hope so. Folks, make sure to follow on YouTube at Coach Nick Money,
At Coaching Money.
Twitter at Coach Nick Money,
At Coaching Money.
Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money,
At Coaching Money.
Twitch at Coach Nick Money,
Coaching Money.
TikTok at DBL Nicks,
DBL Nicks.
at DBL Nicks. And if you'd like to join an amazing community, you can join the Coach Nick Money Discord community, which is more than just the community. The community is phenomenal. It's awesome, dude. It's doubles off the charts.
Off the charts.
The people are fantastic, supportive. You get the support from us. We have our own help center in the Discord area. So if you need any help whatsoever navigating the Discord, you need help with your trading, you want some ideas, you just want to share some information with us, we got our own help center available there. So go ahead and take advantage of the Discord. In addition to that, you'll have access to our top level custom scanners. We spent a lot of money creating breakout scanners to basically hunt for parabolic breakouts, the market movers, top leading scanners, all of that, including the float and volume, so you actually know what the supply of the shares are and what the volume and the demand on the stocks are, so you can make a more educated decision on your trading, plus access to search features to find out what's going on with the news of the stock, the filings of the stocks, do they have shelf registrations, what's going on. You know, what's going on? Is there a reverse merger happening? All that stuff. But probably one of the things that most of the people like about the Discord is the early watch list that we put out every single day, Monday through Friday, where we put out the early watch list of stocks that we think are going to potentially go parabolic the next day. It comes out at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time during after hours. We have a formula that we've used to determine which stocks we think are most likely to run the next day, and we provide that list to our Discord members. And let me tell you something, almost always, 1, 2, 3, maybe even 4, maybe even 4 stocks end up being parabolic runners the next day. So go ahead and click the link in the description or the pinned comment and take advantage of the 4-day trial for $9.99 and join us in the Discord and let us know that you saw us on the show. Put your notifications on YouTube for at Coach Nick Money for tomorrow's show. Doubles will be with the Serengeti specialist, DBL Moms. DBL Moms in the house, and they will be performing the Microcap morning shows at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. They do it Monday through Friday. They'll be on tomorrow hunting for parabolic plays, pre-market into the early morning regular hours. So go ahead and join them on that. Once again, we love you. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you soon. It's Coach Nick Money.
DBL Nicks.
And DBL Nicks, the Rainmaker.
Rainmaker.
And we're